Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts. Sign into Game Center on iOS or play games on Android because the link uses those profiles to sync progress. Once done, open eFootball 2024 and choose the Login or Account menu. Make sure updates finished so options appear. If you use two-factor authentication, have codes ready. This avoids interruption during the link process and prevents account lockouts while the app exchanges credentials. You now perform the in-app link. Go to Settings, then Account, and pick Link Account or sign in with Game Center or Play Games. When the system prompt appears, select the profile that matches your intended Game Center or Google account and approve permissions. This lets eFootball read your ID and sync data. Make sure to accept any data sharing prompts, and if the app offers a local backup, create one before proceeding so you can restore if anything goes wrong. You finish by verifying the link. Open account in eFootball and confirm your Game Center or Play Games ID player name or Cloud Sync icon appears. If linking fails, sign out of the system account, reboot your device, then sign back in and retry. This clears cached tokens. For persistent errors, contact Konami support with your account ID, device model, OS version, and screenshots. That helps them diagnose server or permission issues faster.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.